Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will introduce how to use this latest picosecond laser machines and the functions of its work height.
1060 for nanometers, 530 to nanometers, remove freckles, lips, pigmentation, wrinkles, eyebrows. Freckles removal on the banana. One 1320 nanometers, black dot treatment for skin whitening. Black dot treatment on the arm. Adjust higher frequency and try again. How to adjust the spot size. How to replace the working handle. (755 nanometers), remove age spots, chloasma, liver spots, sunburn, skin rejuvenation. Rejuvenation testing on the banana. Skin rejuvenation on the arm. You can adjust this button to control the air volume and sound.